Hello, everyone. I'm going to share how technology has immensely implemented in the world of medicine. Prior to technology, prior to the Affordable Care Act, a lot of our charting, prescriptions, and communication was done via paper charting. But now we have implemented the electronic medical health records. We have implemented telehealth. We have implemented e-scripts. And all of this is to assist with the safety of caring for patients. Long gone are the days when you go to a rural hospital with a rare disease and they are unable to treat you. Now doctors can go to video chats and talk to doctors all around the world to get help with treating specific diseases. In telemedicine, it has allowed for the healthcare to become very portable. It has allowed for diagnosis. It has allowed for communication, and it has allowed for ease of care for the patients. We have telemedicine, its interoperability to connect to thousands of people around the world. When we're teaching this to our students, we have to teach about safety for our patients. A great addition to safety is what we call barcode reader. Our barcode reader helps us administer medication safely to our patients. How does this work? When a patient is admitted, they are assigned a specific medical record and an MRN. The patient gets an ID with a barcode, and all the medication that is assigned to that patient will have specific barcoding. When you administer medication, you will scan the patient with this device, and their whole history of medications that they are taking will come up on the computer. We administer medication by time. So when a certain time is say for 10 a.m., the 10 a.m. meds will come. You scan your patient and then you scan the medication. This scanning into the computer will allow you to see if it's the correct medication, the correct dosage. This has improved medication safety immensely. And it's required for most hospitals to adopt this usage of what you call your barcode scanning. As you can see, there are many companies that offer the programming. It depends on what your hospital selects. But it has become very helpful, and I use it, and I have seen the change in the decrease in medication administration. Another usage of technology in the healthcare field is what we call our nursing simulation scenarios. And this allows for students to provide real patient care on mannequins. Schools purchase different programs, as you can see, and students run scenarios on how to care for this patient. This allows for the student, to become familiar with caring for patients without patients actually getting harmed before they can actually go into the hospitals to care for patients. When students pass through the scenarios, they'll get a pass or a fail, or what they were successful in and things that they need to correct. All of this type of technology allows for the safety care for our patients.